Mangaroos Tutoring Services video classes. Age. We will begin with some basic questions and then we will move on to some more advanced ones. Remember, you can attempt any or all of the questions before I give the solution. Number 1. If Simone was born on March 25th, 1995, how old was she on June 10th, 2009? So in order for us to determine how old she was, we need to determine how many years have passed from 1995 to 2009. So we simply need to subtract 1995 from 2009, and that is because June is past March. So when we do the subtraction, we will get 14 years. So the answer is 14 years. Carleen turned 9 on January 10th, 2019. What year was Carleen born in? So we know that Carleen was born 9 years before 2019. So we simply need to take away 9 from 2019. That is simple subtraction. We will get 2010. Your answer is 2010. Philip was 11 years old at the end of the year 2013. Philip's brother Kevin is 5 years younger than him. What year was Philip born in? Part A. Part B. How old was Kevin in 2013? And Part C. What year was Kevin born in? So Part A. What year was Philip born in? So we can determine anyone's date of birth if we are given their age in a particular year. We simply need to subtract their age from that year. So 2013 take away 11. 3 take away 1 is 2. 1 take away 1 is 0. 0, 2. So the year of Philip's birth is 2002. Part B. How old was Kevin in 2013? So we were given the information that Kevin is 5 years younger than Philip. So Philip is 11 years old in 2013. So 5 years younger would mean we need to subtract 5. So 11 take away 5 is 6. So Kevin is 6 years old in 2013. Part C. What year was Kevin born in? So if Kevin was 6 years in 2013, it means that he was born 6 years before 2013. So we simply need to subtract 6 from 2013. 13 take away 6 is 7. So his date of birth is 2007. We will now do some practice test questions. These questions go from simple to complex. Number 1. Lucy is 3 times as old as Nancy, who is twice as old as Stanley. If Stanley is 12 years old, how old is Lucy? So we will firstly determine Nancy's age, then Lucy's. So Nancy is twice as old, which is 2 times 12. 12 times 2, simple, that's 24. So Nancy is 24 years old. Lucy is 3 times as old as Nancy. So that's 3 times 24. 3 times 4 is 12. We put the 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So Lucy is 72 years old. Number 2. In 2003, Pablo was 42 years old. In 2009, Pablo was 4 times older than his daughter Maria. Calculate Maria's age in 2007. So if Pablo was 42 in 2003, 2003 to 2009, that's plus 6 years. So we can add 6 to 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. So Pablo is 48 in 2009. And they are telling us that 48 is 4 times Maria's age. So 48 is equal to 4 times some amount. So we call that M. So 48 is equal to 4 times M. We know that 4 times 12, if you know our tables, 4 times 12 will give us 48. Or in other words, we can say 48 divided by 4 is 12. So Maria's age in 2009 is 12 years. But they are asking us for Maria's age in 2007. So since 2007 is 2 years before 2009, we simply need to subtract 2 from Maria's age in 2009, which is 12. So 12 take away 2 is 10. So Maria's age in 2007 is 10. And that's your answer. Number 3. 5 years ago, Carson was 1/8 the age of his father. His father is now 37 years old. What is Carson's present age? So if his father is now 37 years old, 5 years ago he would be 37 take away 5, which is 32. And they told us that Carson was 1/8 the age of his father 5 years ago. So Carson would be 1/8 of 32, or 32 divided by 8. 8 into 8 is 1, 8 into 32 is 4. So Carson was 4 years old 5 years ago. So his present age will be 4 years plus 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So Carson is presently 9 years old. Number 4. Janet is 26 years younger than her mom Lexi. In the year 2015, Janet was twice the age of her daughter Kay. In the year 2019, Kay will be 23 years old. In what year was Lexi born? So this is a nice challenging question. We firstly need to determine Kay's age in 2015, then Janet's age in 2015, and then we can find Lexi's date of birth. So they told us in the year 2019, Kay will be 23 years old. We want to determine Kay's age in 2015. So 2015 is 4 years before 2019. So we simply need to subtract 4 from Kay's age in 2019. So that's 23, take away 4, which is 19. So she's 19 years old in 2015. So they are telling us in the year 2015, Janet, Kay's mom, was twice the age of Kay. So that's 19 multiplied by 2 will give us Janet's age. 2 9s are 18. 1 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So Janet is 38 years in 2015. So we now want to determine what year Janet was born in. So we know that she is 38 years in 2015. So we can subtract 38 from 2015 to determine her date of birth. So we know that 5 cannot take away 8. So we borrow. 15 take away 8 is 7. We borrow again. 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away nothing is 9. And 1 take away 0 is 1. And lastly, they told us that Janet is 26 years younger than her mom Lexi, or in other words, Lexi is 26 years older than Janet. So it means that Lexi was born 26 years before Janet, so we can take away 26 years from Janet's date of birth. So that's 1977 take away 26. So 7 take away 6 is 1, 7 take away 2 is 5. So Lexi was born in 1951. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and feel free to contact us for more helpful teaching.